What's up, everybody? Today we've got an awesome video for you. We're going to be unboxing the new Redcat Volcano 16, new-ish, new to me. I'm super excited to check it out, so let's get into it. Let me know down below if any of you have got this as well. I'm very excited because I have a regular Volcano. Alright, here we are. This is what we can see. We got the manual, our stickers here. Let's get right into it. Oh, awesome. Oh. A little smaller as I was expecting, but I don't really play with 1/16 scale much, so that's to be expected. This is just the first time really me seeing what a true 1/16 scale car looks like. Nice tires there. So you get the car in the box. I went with red. I usually do blue cars, so I was like, this time I'll change it up, get red. And what else do we get? We get a goodie bag here. Our battery, 800 milliamp lithium ion. We got the charger for the battery. We got extra body pins, and these ones are nice. They've got the little grabs, the tabs on them. And in here we've got, it looks like lights to me. Probably. I think they're supposed to be front lights for right there, so that's where that'll go. And let's see, what else do we get? And your transmitter. So everything ready to run out of the bat. It's not a bad transmitter. This one definitely feels it's light. It has an auxiliary button for the lights though, so that's cool. But it's very light, very plasticky feeling. All my other Redcat controllers are really nice feeling, so we'll have to see how this works. Possibly get a Dumbo RC one and put it on there. But let's get the body off and take a look, because I am excited to do that. I'm so pumped. You know what it's like when you get a new RC, or at least for me, it's like being a kid at the candy store. So we got this body right here. It's not bad. It seems pretty solid actually, but we're still gonna reinforce it with some drywall tape and shoe goo. And this is what we've got on the inside here. So not bad. I've actually got some oil-filled shocks on order because these are not oil-filled. One thing I forgot to mention here, it does come with another battery that's inside the car. Of course, make sure you charge them up, charge them up first. But I was like, these little lithium-ion batteries, no thank you. So we got these Z-Power LiPo batteries.
footage.